Good morning everyone. We are already packing, getting ready to go home. And this is the hand carry that I will use para sa mga gamit ni Mishi, the gatas, the wipes, the diaper, tubig, extra bote, extra damit namin ni Mac, just in case mataihan kami. Kasi po kahapon ay talagang nagpasabog po siya sa mga Uber namin. Meds. Asan na yung... Ayan. Meds pala niya. Para minsanan yung pagpapacheck ko, pagkukuhanan ko ng ipapacheck ko. Tapos meron kaming dala na gate check bag. Thank you Among Us family for your gift. Nagagamit na po niya pang gate check namin ng kanyang stroller. Yung stroller po niya sa mga na magtatanong, it is just the even flow. It works. Nagagamit namin siya sa mga Uber and all of that. Tapos sobrang dali. Kahit nung nakabus kami, nung nag-tour kami, ay madali lang siya na nagamit. Kapag kasi dito yung mga escalator, bawal ang mga stroller. So, kinikerry namin siya as a car seat kapag nasa mga escalator na kami. So, yun. Sobrang convenient niya. So, talagang ROI na ROI namin yun. And then, may mga dala din kaming fan. Dalawa yung dala namin kahapon nung nasa 9/11 Memorial Park na kami. Sobrang init. Buti na lang may electric fan kami. Yeah, we have the green and the black.
3 daw, including her electric
3?
fan.
No, yours doesn't work. I tried it yesterday. It doesn't give air.
It does.
No, the girl was just staring at us because we look stupid. It doesn't give any air.
Yes, it does.
Let's strip the bed and then let's find out if there are stuff under. Strip the bed. Oh, look! My charger is here. I mean,
Baka da bingkilan sa labas.
I'll bring this water. Oh, this one needs to be locked. It's not locked yet. Stay man Maiden. How many check-in? How many luggage do you guys have? Just 3? Can you bring our check-in luggage? Tanuhang pa ngay so nga bagpagkatan mi. And then we will bring the stroller and our carry-on in the Uber. Are we good? How about in the bathroom? More. Yeah, we're going home, anak. Don't poop again in the Uber, ha? Opo? Jesus. Ha? Hala? Ang saya-saya niya. May didi pa na nakalagay dito. Let's go.
We're going back to Sioux Falls after the trip to New York. Yeah. With the whole fam. Makauma matengkat ni shit.
Good morning everyone! Welcome back! Hindi na namin kayo na-update yesterday but kami po ay nakauwi na dito sa Sioux Falls and today ay nagpa-check up lang si Mishi kasi due na siya for 6 months na check up niya. And ngayon ay nabigyan siya ng 2 shots which is mga combination na yun. I think pneumonia tsaka combination na ng ano. Yung rotavirus parang hindi nabigay. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hindi daw ata kasi na-start sa previous na clinic yung ano, dapat yung first dose nabigay na ng 15 weeks pa lang siya. Ang alam ko nabigay yun eh. Pero hindi ko sure kasi hindi pa namin napapafax yung mga record ni Mishi. So, kung hindi yun nabigay, hindi na daw ma-start, nag-lapse na. Pero kung nabigay, tatanungin ko kung pwede pang ibigay yung second dose niya. Anyway, we will go home na. Nakabili na kami ng mga meds niya. Grabe ang mahal ng binayaran ko. Bayad ako ng 120 kasi iba na naman yung meds niya. Tapos next week pupunta pa kaming derma. Kasi nga pala, hindi ko pa pala nasabi kasi sa mga vlogs na may eczema si Mishi. Sobrang dry ng skin niya. Okay siya kapag sobrang mino-moisturize namin. Kasi nga daw talaga yung eczema is just about dry skin. Pero yung skin niya, yung parang, yung sa atin okay lang kahit naka-aircon tayo, na compensate ng skin natin. Yung sa kanya parang, wala sis. Napaka-sensitive masyado. Nagmana sa dati. So, we've been dealing with this one for so long already, since 3 months siya. So, 3 months na namin to na dinideal with. So, next week nakakakuha na kami ng earlier appointment sa derma. Ang hirap kumuha ng derma appointment. Sobra. Kasi iilan lang yung derma na pang baby, and parang dito, ang earliest namin nakuha dati is September. So, buti na lang naisingit nila kami for August. June pa yun ha, na pinabook ni Mac. June pa. June, July, August, September. Grabe, 3 months yung waiting time. Muntik na kaming pumunta sa ibang state para lang kasi merong children's din sa children's hospital din sa Nebraska. Pero, dito na lang kami sa Sioux Falls, sa children's clinic, children's hospital, something. Or derma. So, we're gonna go home na. Ayoko na lang isipin yung mga gastos natin sa gamot. Okay na lang yan. Basta lang maging okay siya. Grabe, as hindi kami nakakatulog. Kagabi launa na siya nakatulog. Dahil doon sa dahil sa kakakamot niya. So, tingnan natin. Ngayon po ay active ang madam. So, let's go home. Bakit hindi nagpapakita ang aking map? Let's go! Para makakain na rin. Ang oras na is 10:15.
Hi guys! So, we're going to Dairy Queen because we're big backs. And, you know, we're gonna walk. Because before, they would always say, oh yeah, let's go on a walk. And then they end up at Dairy Queen. Like, big back, big back. Anyway.
Bruh.
Okay, we have stairs. There's gonna be stairs. Nani.
May baga mo, Mama, it's against the light. Ate and tita. And our banining there. I got blizzard. She got, I don't know.
Sunday on day.
Sunday, cone, and that's the biggest order of all.
Perfection. Caramel.
Perfection.
1,790
Calories. Hey everyone! Welcome back! So, this vlog is gonna be like a long, parang 1 week na atang vlog ito, hindi pa natatapos. So, right now, we're gonna go out. Si Daddy ay tulog kasi galing work. But he's gonna come with us later pagpunta ng Falls Park. But, saan tayo pupunta, sister? Where do you wanna go? Pupunta kami daw sa mga store na wala sa Canada. So, we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby, Ross, TJ Maxx, Target. Para namang ang dami naming pera. Pero yung mga lang naman na mga store. But I think we will be spending a lot of money at Hobby Lobby.
Well, my budget is $50.
Oh, malapit lang pala dito. 2-point-something miles lang.
Dito lang yan.
Yeah, I know, but then the Hobby Lobby, I don't know if that's the right Ross. Oh, same. 8 minutes. It's welcome to Five Below. That's already $5. What's that? Oh, you can use that and we can use that in the pool.
That's a Kuromi one. I want to get a volleyball though.
Later.
$5.
Hi. There you go.
This is like oh my gosh, guys, Five Below is literally my happy place because there's so much Sanrio stuff. Like, I'm gonna start tweaking now.
So many cute stuff, right? Our baby is sleeping. Uy, si Mama, magbabayad siya ng separate. Hindi niya nilalagay sa basket yung ano niya. Don't be part of the problem, be the entire problem.
This is my favorite
No, I
of
saw
all.
free shark candy, but like,
I respectfully don't care.
Mom, you're so cringy.
I'm not responsible for what my face does when you talk. Next
Hey
is
guys.
Hobby
So
Lobby.
now we're Hobby Lobby, which is literally just right next door, so we're walking.
They have a lot of stuff here, like decoration and all of that.
Also, I only spent $25. Like, oh my gosh, that's a new record.
They have the fall stuff already. Let's go to the Christmas decor area and I will check. Oh, this should be the one on top of our record player, oh.
It's only $18.
Or something like this or this music. But how much is this though? It's $15.99. Napakaliit naman kasi niyan, sister.
It's 18.
Exit way out. Kabel mo di ko. Kabel mo di door. Ni nariingon ang mabibing ko. She's already awake. It's not gonna fit in your luggage.
Yeah, I'll carry it.
He'll carry that. Do not pet the fluffy dogs.
Ni Diego ka na.
Chopper.
Okay guys, so I've been trying to find stuff in Hobby Lobby, but I mean their crafts area is right there, and they're going to the Christmas area. But I mean,
What are you looking for?
but I mean they're kind of close. I'm looking for painting tools, cause
Oh, it's at the back.
yeah, I just saw some earlier, but you guys are going to the Christmas section.
Wait. It's the art stuff, ate, oh. Oh, this is the rotary. Ay, mabisang gamot. Hey, look at this. Diba, dito yung mga wooden stuff that you can paint. Ayan na, heaven na naman siya for her paints. Why do you keep on dancing? Yeah. Oh, where are your paints? Paints that I gave you, they were from Sam's Club. Ito yung mga paints nila. Oh, look at this, the metallic paint.
I have a lot of.
You have a lot?
Yeah, I have paint still, but they're like the smaller ones.
And they have paint brushes in different sizes. Oh, they have purple, ate. Look at that. And they have the comfort grip, oh.
How much is it? 7?
It's 7. Oh, remember, that's USD, not Canadian.
Okay, but we're talking about 50 USD right here. If y'all don't know, I have.
Oh, so you're talking about 50 USD.
If y'all don't know, I have a budget on this. Like,
They have canvas here as well. Yeah, the real one. And the big ones as well.
Ni Papa mo ko, patient enough to put it back together. Smart enough.
To hide the extra parts.
When I'm done.
You should put this at your garage door. Oh yeah, this one is bagay kay lolo mo.
Ate ni
Don't move them. Don't even look at them. May met ata ni, then you hang it at the door. But it can go to our door. But it's 50% off. That's $40. This is going to be our Christmas theme for this year. If Tito Mac will like it.
I don't think he will. Y'all, look at these.
So look at this.
I know.
Look at this.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in the Christmas tree like that.
It is a
Wow, so yummy. Oh my gosh, why does that actually look kind of real, bro?
yeah. Look at this.
Oh, this is heavy. So it can go, I don't know.
Like separately,
This is
like.
heavy. Look
Oh
at
my
that.
goodness.
It can go to our counter, kitchen counter, right? Oh,
Yes.
this is so cute. Oh my god.
Y'all, she's actually obsessed with like peppy stuff. Hi, Bunny.
Look at that.
Hi, Bunny.
Last year.
Lights up.
Wow.
Oh, so fancy. Oh my gosh, they have like gingerbread. Oh, this one is so nice. look at this. How much is this?
Okay.
7.99, so it's just gonna be $4. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. Let's go. She's looking for her binky. There you go. Let's go. We will have... Oh, this one is so nice. The gingerbread house. But how much is it? Oh, and it lights up. Ooh, cool. Look at that. How much is it though? Oh, it's $56. Oh my gosh. Then it's gonna be like $25 or $30.
You should get this.
North Pole Bakery.
Guys, by the way, this is Mishy's first ever Christmas.
Yeah, that's why we're gonna decorate. Very happy? Very happy?
Money from the government din
Shopping sila. Tayo hindi, no? Ha? Ay, sus. Hello everyone, time check, it's already 5:19 p.m. and we're gonna go to Falls Park kasi magpipictorial po yung banining for her 6 months na birthday. Grabe ang init. So we're only gonna use one car kasi si ate princess niya ay hindi na sumama, may sarili na kasi ng life, dalaga na kasi siya, manonood siya ng K-drama niya. So let's go! Banining ko, sleeping. Yuri is there. Pupunta kami dyan sa may cafe para mag ice cream or coffee. Si Madam Rosamia na po ang tourist guide ng Sisterette ngayon kasi alam na niya dito. Oh, let's go to the tower first kasi baka magsasara na yung for the magnet that she wants to buy. Mishy Bang Bang, you're awake now? You're gonna take photo there. Shurba. Parang masarap yung black sherby shurba. Charot! Ask for a sample. Di ba na puro sample man tama? Gusto ko yung sample ng lahat.
Go with the meat.
Oh, okay.
Lalaan na kasi alam na naman niya nandyan yung Didi.
No, naning!
Didi! Oh, it's in the truck, the the headband.
Hala, di headband, the truck.
Behind the scene.
Felt like we had it all. We were dancing
Tara na?
Jump, 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 di ba? Di ba ko naman? Pag-jump!
Jump pa siya.
Aray na!
Feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away?